So hey guys, welcome to the new video. Today in this video we are going to see that how can you install PHP on your Windows 11 computer. Firstly, let's move in our browser, and here you have to just type PHP and then just search for it. You will see the first link from php.net. Click on that. After that, just go in the nav bar and search for downloads button. Click on that. Here you will see a select option. I want to use PHP for web development and my operating system is Windows. So just go down there and download the x64 thread version. Since I am using x64 operating system, so I will be going with this one. I will just download the zip. Just download it. You will see a folder like this. Just double tap on it. You will see something like this. So just extract all, and I will rename the folder as PHP 8.5. Then just extract it. Now go in your parent directory. This is the folder which we have got after PHP installation. Now just copy this folder, go in your C disk, and after that go in users. Sorry, not in users, just in program files, and just paste it here. Click on continue. Now just go inside this folder, and then you have to tap just here, just in the right side of your directory. You will see something like this. Just copy this path and then open your environment variables. Yes, this is the option. Now click on environment variables. After that, go in this path option under system variables, edit, and just add a new path here. Now paste that path which you have copied. Then click on OK, again OK, and OK. Now open your command prompt and just type php space --version. This will check that PHP is properly installed or not. Since you can see that it is showing PHP 8.5.0. So this means that your PHP is successfully installed and it is now globally accessible from your system. So that's it for today's video guys. Now let's see you next time.